Hey, hi. I'm going to tell you a story about the bird and the man. Once there was a bird that was perched on the highest power line by the yard of a compass factory. The bird was lonely, yet cheerful, and singing always to this tune. Oh, when I think about the younger years, there was only you and me. We were wild and young and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before. That's over now. Keep coming back for more. Silence. Yes, silence. Reason being, the bird was shot. That's right, the bird was shot and is falling down, swirling to the ground. And if you're a sound-sensitive person, you should be able to pick up that soft thud when it hits the ground. Oh, who wanted to do this to this bird? How sad. Yes, people. Let's have a moment of silence for this bird. Now, from a nearby pile of shit where the bird lay, jumped out a man with a hair gun in his hand, completely covered in shit from top to bottom. Phew! That man was ecstatic. He was so happy. He was singing away. I feel good. I know I do now. I feel good. I know I do now. So good. So good. I got you, bird. So good. So good. I got you, bird. That's right. The man finally got the bird. It seems that he's been trying to get that bird for the past 6 months. Every time he took a shot at it, he missed. Oh, what a lousy shot. Yeah, what a stupid guy as well. But anyways, he finally shot the bird. It's dead, and he's doing his victory dance around the dead bird. Oh boy, what a sad scene. After he's done with his victory dance, he took the bird, put it on his back, went home. After getting home, he cleaned himself and scented himself so that he would be able to get out of that smell of shit. Then he sat down to have his supper, and then after that he sat by his work table, all ready to stuff his precious bird. He took the bird out of his bag, cleaned whatever dust and sand was on it, and carefully took out the pellet. The bird chirped back to life. Baby, you're all that I want, and I find it there in your arms. Is it too hard to see? We're in heaven? The bird looked confused. Where am I? The man, in the meantime, jumped out of his chair, back, completely frozen in fear. The bird looks at the man. The man looks at the bird. The bird asks again, where am I? The man says, you're supposed to be dead. The bird laughs, not anymore, and takes off. Takes off at the nearest windows that it saw. It flew as fast as it could. Free as a... It banged right into the transparent glass that the window had. It slid to the floor, unconscious. The man saw this. He frantically went for his air gun, took it, loaded it, aimed it, shot, but he missed. Again, he taking a step forward, he again loads, he again aims, he again shoots, he again misses. This time, frantic, mad with crazy, again loads a gun, point blank range of the bird. He shoots, he misses. He becomes totally frustrated. He throws away his air gun and starts stomping the bloody bird. He stomps it until it becomes a stamp on his footwear. He throws away his footwear and he says, "I'm never, ever, ever gonna kill an endangered species of bird again." Says that and walks out of the room. The end.